In this video, we are going to see how we can temporarily deactivate a YouTube channel or hide the YouTube channel for a temporary period of time. So first of all, we click on the profile icon to which the YouTube channel is associated. We click on that and we head over to the settings. And from here, we click on the advanced settings and we click on delete channel. From here, it says review in Google account. And after that, you get the option to I want to permanently delete my content or I want to hide my channel. You click on that, just make sure to read through it. And then after that, you can click on hide my channel, click on hide my content. And you may be asked to enter the password again, just to confirm that you are making this change as an owner. And that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.